Good morning, students. Welcome to our lesson today. In this video, we are going to do Unit 1, Relationships, Writing Tasks 7 and 8. Please keep a dictionary and a notebook with you while watching the video. So, what's our objective today? What's a lesson objective? Describe a process, identify sequence words, and learn how to write an introduction and overview. Let's go to task 7. Writing an introduction and overview. Read the instruction and the information in the box. Introduction and overview are not the same, but both are important for type 1 writing in IELTS exam. Introduction tells the reader what type of data it is, whether it's a diagram showing a process, or a chart, or a graph on price, sales, or weather conditions from 2 different countries. Do you remember how you wrote your introduction for graphs in levels 1 and 2? You started with the graph shows or the graph illustrates what, where, and when. Yes? Okay. Overview tells the reader something about the data itself, but without going into detail. It could be a summary of the process. Okay. So in task 7, you need to find out which of these is an introduction and which is an overview. Pause the video, read A and B, and note down your answers. You can complete the task on Moodle. Have you noted down your answers? Let's read this information again. The introduction is usually the task question rewritten in your own words. So it's a paraphrase of the question itself. The overview is a summary of the process. So the overview is like a summary of the process. Task 8. What does the instruction ask you to do? Read the instruction. Which of these are not overviews? So you need to find out which of the 4 options, A to D, are not overviews. From the question, you can understand there are more than one option to choose as answers. Remember, overview should have information about the data. It could be a summary. It could be a summary of the process. It should have some information about the data. You can pause the video, read the options A to D, and note down your answers. Done? Okay. Let me show you an example. D is clearly not an overview. Read D. The diagram shows the various stages in the process of making strawberry jam. So it reads like an introduction. Yes? Okay, move on. The first stage is to pick the strawberries when they are ripe. This is clearly an introductory sentence and a description of the first stage. So it's not a summary. It's just an introduction. Okay, so D is clearly not an overview. Now, there are 3 more options, A, B, and C, for you to read. Find out which of the 3 options is not an overview. I'm going to post another video for task 9 and provide a Moodle link on WhatsApp. You can attempt the tasks on Moodle. This is the end of this video. Thank you.